so we're checking out the game. This game, I forgot the name, but we're checking out the new characters. So, I put it in the public. So here's this bird person. Next is this lion guy, I guess from Ruin, because I'm in Ruin right now. Look at this shading, it looks better than it did before. Birthday dog, I think its name is. It looks ugly. That thing you can't even do it. But this character, dang, her teeth smells nasty. But here's this character. Oh, if you saw one of my videos, I did a video on this guy, but I guess this is like his hand with a Foxy, Chica. I wonder who this hand is for. Bonnie's endoskeleton, Chica's face. Chica's foot leg. And last but not least is the Mermaid. But that's all the characters. I think there's finally a character in one of these. I think in FNAF Sim. Nope, it's the same thing. I think it was different last time, but hopefully you liked the video. Goodbye. Hey Mimic, say goodbye.